Hello everyone, this is Lucy Sung with Hisense, and this is our Hisense Mini Pro Experience, the China edition. Over the past week, we traveled with 30 US customers from Johnstone Supply through Qingdao and Beijing, discovering our lighthouse factories, visiting our R&D centers, and experiencing the China culture. Come join us and check out all the key highlights from this unforgettable journey. Hisense and Johnstone Supply, stronger together!
People. They're so kind. We've been selling Hisense for a couple of years now in the States. It's so beautiful to see the facility, how clean and organized and efficient. Impressive.
Quality. Technology.
Brilliance. Innovative.
Thanks for watching all of the key highlights from our China Mini Pro Experience. At Hisense, we're proud to share our innovation, our culture, and our partnerships with the whole world. Until the next Pro Experience, see you soon!